Today is my dentist day. Let's go.
Hey stars! Welcome to another day in the life of my rainbow family. For today's mini vlog, I will be bringing Dwayne to a dental clinic for his fluoride treatment. Siyempre bilang isang magulang kung paano natin inaalagaan yung anak natin, gusto natin meron din nag-aalaga ng kanilang ngipin. At siyempre, saan pa natin dadalhin yan? The one who gives me this very bright smile, walang iba, kundi kay Smile 360 Dental Clinic. They have branch here in Lower Antipolo sa may bandang Sumulong. Huwag na nating pampatagalin pa. Let's go!
But first, I'm going to the school.
Bye!
A few moments later.
We fetch him muna. Hey stars! Pag nakita nyo na tong building na to sa tapat ng Petron, ibig sabihin, narating nyo na si Smile 360! Morning po! Excited! Do you remember this place?
Yeah, my name's the baby.
You're still a baby what?
I go here.
You went here when you're still a baby?
Yeah.
Oh wow! Okay!
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning daw.
First time niyo po? So never pa siya na-clipping before?
Never pa. Supposedly, dapat second time na ngayon. Eh kaya lang, hindi natuloy nung una kasi umiiyak pa siya. 2 years old siya nun eh.
Hello, good morning. Are you excited? I'm just gonna give you candy, ha? Do you like bubble gum?
Sure.
Sure. Oops, don't
Do you
touch
know how to
anything.
gargle already?
Yeah.
Okay, can you gargle first? Gargle cut. Okay, spit it out, ha? Don't swallow it, okay? Okay, spit it out here. Okay. Very good. What's your name?
Green.
Dwayne. How old are you na?
Little.
Hmm?
Green.
Okay. Slide lang ha. Close your eyes if your eyes hurts, okay? Okay lang? Okay, I'm gonna put this lang sa face mo. Is that okay? Okay, very good. Check lang muna tayo ng teeth. Okay, open. Very good. Super clean naman ng teeth ni Dwayne. Okay, open. Okay.
Mommy, come here.
Does that hurt? No, di ba?
See, I told
There's
you.
Okay. Open. Try lang. Okay, try sa face. Okay, is that okay? Okay. Try naman natin sa mouth. Does that hurt? No, ouch, right? Air lang.
Yeah.
Okay, open. And then I'm gonna give you bubble gum if you're behave. Okay? Say open. Open lang. Big mouth. Okay. Very good.
Hey stars, nire-ready na nga ni Doc yung fluoride na ilalagay sa ngipin ni baby. What did they tell you? What Dada is going to give to you when you finish this? Started with letter K.
Oh, what's that?
Okay, ayun.
Big mouth. Bigger.
Big, Big
Open, open. Okay.
11, 12, 13. Hey stars, in this video, I am counting numbers, my way to calm Dwayne. Kasi medyo hindi siya sanay na merong nakalagay sa ngipin niya. Also, I forgot to tell the dentist na medyo takot si Dwayne sa mga naka-face mask and may mga hawak na dental tools. Pero despite sa mga yon, sobrang happy pa rin talaga kami kay Smile 360. Kasi the staffs and dentists ay mahaba ang pasensya sa mga bata. They will help you to calm your little one and hindi nagmamadali para mabigay yung care para sa mga ngipin ng babies natin.
Okay na po tayo.
Sige.
Kasi first time pa lang naman niya very tapos po, yung feeder rinse lang siya 30 minutes to 1 hour po.
Okay.
Tapos, wag muna siya mag-toothbrush for 4 hours. Okay?
Okay.
Tapos po, si fluoride naman natin, dapat nako-continue siya kahit hanggang pagtanda. Okay po.
Gaano po kadalas ang sequence?
Every 6 months lang tayo.
Every 6. Sige.
Okay, very good!
Your teeth na?
Wait na.
Later na.
Okay.
Okay.
Next time, the doctor will brush your teeth, ha? Okay? You're gonna go back naman, right? Okay po.
Yay.
Done na tayo. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc. Doc Carol, ano po bang importance ng fluoride at early age?
Ayun po, syempre, si fluoride kasi it helps, vitamin C yan ng teeth natin. So, pampatibay siya ng ipin. That's first. And then at the same time po, para maiwasan magkaroon ng mga bagong sira. And then sa mga existing na sira, para lang mag-slow down yung progress ng paglaki ng mga sirang yon. Kasi yung mga bata, hindi pa nila masyado natututbrush ng teeth nila. Syempre, ayaw nilang nagagalaw yung mouth usually, no? So, ayun po, every 6 months, visit tayo sa natin, sa mga dentist natin. So, dapat po, ang first dental visit ng mga bata is kung kailan nagkaroon na siya ng teeth. So, pag meron ng tumubo, visit na agad para naalagaan natin, no? Since important din talaga yung mga baby teeth natin.
Alright.
Okay,
Thank you,
po.
Doc. Sobrang...
I'll see you again, Dwayne, diba?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Thank We're here now at 7-Eleven. What are you looking for? Go, you tell ate.
I do want to the toy.
Kinder Joy? You're looking for Kinder Joy?
Yeah.
Batman.
Batman. Batman in the
Can I
toy.
see?
Yeah.
We're home.
These guys just got home.
So, done na po ang kanyang fluoride. How does it taste like?
Yummy.
Yummy, like what?
Bubble gummy.
It tastes like a bubble gum. Why did you cry?
Because scary.
Is it scary?
Yeah.
Why do you think that it's gonna choke you?
Guys, your white foot meant to be strong.
Can I see your teeth now? Did you promise the doc that you're coming back there?
Yeah.
When we come back there, what are you going to do? Can we try it here? Okay, let's pretend that there's a fluoride inside the mouthpiece, okay? Okay, let's try it. Okay, like that, huh? Without crying, okay? Let's do the pinky promise. Okay.
Guys, thank you for joining me today. You can subscribe.
Okay.
Okay.